guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna show you this.
Yeah, this is the BRIO World figures. Series number 2. How many pieces we got today?
6.
Let me see. Wow, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we can open it now.
Let this one first.
Yeah, can you open it? Be careful and be careful to cut your hand or cut your finger.
What? Oh, yeah, you probably shouldn't cut it. Can you move the other way?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, this is the first one. Yeah, this is the brochure.
He comes with a skateboard.
Yeah, surfing. This is a surfing board, or I guess this is a surfing board. You see, the manual said this is a surfing board. It's a fat woman, right?
Yeah.
Can I take a look? A close up?
Hey, what about the skateboard?
Just a second. Let's have a close up on this figure.
Okay. He's Mr. Fat.
She. Okay, can we take a look at this surfing board? Okay, now. Okay, good. Okay. That's funny, right? Okay.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Hi, guys. Welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open the second pack of
BRIO World figure Series 2.
Open?
Yeah, here is your scissor.
Thanks. I'm going to cut it.
Be careful or cut your finger.
Need scissors.
You can just tear it off. Oh, good. It's easy. Oh, so I take away the scissor.
No, you need scissors. I just opened it out a little. Too crazy.
Cut your finger.
Why?
No, I just said be careful and cut your finger. Good.
Oh.
Who's that guy?
He's a police, isn't he?
No, I guess he is the captain.
What's that?
He's a captain.
Look at.
No, this is for the train. I guess we don't have the train now, but we got a train somewhere. But we can use it later. Can we see? Take a look at the captain. No, or he is the pilot. Wow, he is a Mr. Pilot. A fat pilot, you see? A fat pilot. Yeah, you like a pilot? You want to become a pilot?
No, I want to become a doctor.
Okay, but he's the pilot who can take you to the world.
He's too small.
Yeah, he's too small.
He's a small fat pilot.
Okay, now...
Bye-bye, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open the third pack of the BRIO World figure series number 2. Yeah, this is good. You want to show the back? The back is the figure we're going to collect.
Okay, you can open
it. This one is this.
We can open it now.
With no scissors. There's light.
You don't need a scissor? Okay, good.
Yes.
You make it.
No, he's supposed to hold it.
Oh, can he hold it?
Wait, it's supposed to hold like this. I cannot do it.
No, I don't think he can hold it. Who's this guy? This guy is a farm boy.
Green.
Yeah, Mr. Green. And he, this is a box of all the greenies. Yeah, Mr. Bean. Oh, you got a green clothing and pants, and you got a green one too.
No, that's blue.
Which one is blue? Yours is blue?
Yeah.
Okay. You like BRIO figures? You like him? No, you don't like him. How many you got now? Yeah, these two guys sleeping.
That two guys sleeping with their freezing.
Okay, we still have 3 more to go.
Yes. Bye-bye. See you next time to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open the 4th pack of BRIO World.
Yeah, the Series 2 figure. You see, Series 2 is a Series 2. Actually, they got 6 figures in total for the Series 2. Okay, now you can open it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Overboard.
You need a scissor? No, you don't need it. Or you just tear it off. So easy. Who's this guy?
No, you forgot to take the checklist out.
Yeah, that's the brochure. It doesn't matter.
Stop map.
Yeah, the stop
Oopsie.
sign. Stop! Stop for what? I don't know, but it's that stop. Oh, this is the guy for the traffic, I guess. He's a traffic police. It's a girl. You see her hair? It's a girl. It's not a guy.
Oh. He's a girl too.
Yeah. Oh, see.
It didn't break it.
Yeah. You like her cap?
Yes.
And stop. Everybody stop in front of the line, okay?
No, when they stop at the red light. Stop cars.
Okay, stop and good. This is the
Stop,
4 figures
stop.
we got, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Make
the other
sure
3 are here.
Make sure you check out the other 3 videos.
Okay.
Bye bye. See you next time. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open the 5th of BRIO World.
Yeah, this is a BRIO World figures. Series number 2. They got 6 in the series.
And there's supposed to be one thing at the back. Here, that's.
Yeah, let us have a
Can I
close up.
open it?
Yeah, sure, of course you can open it now.
This time it's.
Good.
I was supposed to say this time it's more harder. Hey.
Yeah, you got a brochure inside.
Ooh, this looks kind of good. Here's all the other 3 things.
Yeah, they're
Sleeping
sleeping.
boys.
Oh, who's this guy? Let me see. Can you show us the figure?
Here.
This is a guy, I guess, I don't know. He's the station manager.
I know how to do this.
I guess he looks like a station manager.
Okay.
No, or a postman, I have no idea.
No, that you have to win the map. And you know how to put it on, don't you guys?
No, you try. Just show it to us. Yeah, good.
Eat. 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 And don't forget to...
Okay, this is a brochure. Let's check it out.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, we got 6 figures. I guess, okay, you see this guy?
What?
He can do it this way.
Really?
Yeah. Can you do that?
I used the wrong way.
It's okay, no problem.
Wait. No, 2.
Yep.
I can...
Yeah, you got it. Okay, it's fine.
But I can only see his mouth.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's take a close-up with it. Okay, I can see his eye now through the camera. Oh, he's a, I don't know, newspaper boy or a station manager or whoever.
No, he has a needle. He has some paper.
Okay, then.
And his hair is red.
Okay, it's a boy or a girl actually?
A boy.
Okay.
He doesn't have any.
Okay.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
1.
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open the 6
Yeah, this
of
is
BRIO World.
yeah, this is our
Figures.
6-pack of the BRIO World figure series number 2. You want to open it now?
Yes, of course.
What's that? Or the brochure? No, this is the brochure actually.
Magnet!
Yeah, this is the cargo for the train.
Wait, that's not a cargo. That's a music box. You're like this.
Can you show us the close-up? This guy seems to work in the airport. The airport guy.
No, he has a music.
Really? I don't know, but
A
he got a
music
headset.
box.
Okay. Yeah, this guy. It's a fat guy. He's a boy with red hair.
Fat Mr. Boy. No, that's brown. He's a girl.
Boy.
No, that's a girl.
Boy.
It's a boy. A boy girl.
Okay, now how many figures you got?
6.
Can you show us all the 6 figures?
Okay, I'll line them all up myself.
Okay.
This... wrong line.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, these are all the 6 guys.
Is this one this?
No, I guess this one is with the stop sign.
Okay.
And this is...
Wait, stop. Let me do it myself.
Doesn't matter.
The stop sign is
too heavy.
Too heavy.
You just put them straight up.
No. Stop. Just give me the map.
It's okay. I just want all the guys stand up.
This one? No, this one is not.
This is a green boy.
No.
Okay, let me do a close-up of each of them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me do a close-up. 3, 4, 5, 6. You like them?
Okay. And what about let's get all the close-up look of the... No, we are...
That's okay.
No, we don't look at this accessory now. Now we're gonna look at all the humans.
Yeah, these are all the accessories. All the humans. Okay, good.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
And remember
To subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.